really thin condensed glue gels. I mean thick condensed glue gels, but then on the weekend we have extra thick condensed glue gels. I've been doing a lot of cool demonstration to shows the extra thick condensed glue gel. So I'm gonna place it right here and put my flowers just right first. Flash here quick using my flashlight and make sure that it stay on. On the side. You can do it on the middles. I like to be on the sides for just a second. All right, 10 seconds. It's okay. That's what I did. You're like, do you think it looks so good? I said I did it in purpose. All right, good. So we'll move out. And all right, voting. I was thinking this one was stunning. Is there now? Or pumpkin? Pumpkin looks good too. Huh?
When you have a picker.
No, I mean, okay, I'm gonna apply again condensed glue gel, really thick condensed glue gel. So you don't need a lot, little go a long way. However, you don't want to do it too thin. You want to make sure that it's thick enough. I mean, to apply the crystal, you don't want to be too thin either. Okay, great. So I'm gonna floating the top coat on the top. Make sure you close the lid. White top coat. Sorry, it just fun ideas. I am playing with my subscription box right now. If you haven't get chance or never have experienced this one, just get yourself one. It's really cool. It's going with the theme of each month, and we're so excited to see yours beautiful creation. Okay, I want this one. I want him to be right there. Okay, and then butterflies. And then more flower. I just want to make it so dramatic. And then butterflies, flowers, and more crystal. Hey, keep in mind, if you don't want anything else, you don't want to cover your marble looks, but to me, I think is a marbles really make a difference for the nails. It gets like a really cool backgrounds for it. However, you know, hey, you have some clients like, oh, I don't want anything else, I just want the marbles with veinings, you know. Absolutely you can, and no reason that you can't not, you know. I'm just having fun and add a lot of cute fun Halloween's elements that I got from my subscription box. I'm gonna add crystal on, and you can you can collab with a lot of colors, a lot of more crystal from your previous box as well. And then also, if you want to get like a more products for yours is Halloween, you can also get the subscription, not subscription box, I'm sorry, treasure box. It's totally different elements in that, but it's still saying the same theme of the Halloweens, but you are getting a lot of, also a lot of is Halloween's products and a really good price, and your treasure box. This is subscription box, so a little bit different from treasure box. Oh, look at that. I think I'm good. There's a lot of cool going on. Yeah. Alright. I'm good. This is so dramatic though. Hold on. Let me see. I'm gonna add just a couple of my pumpkin colors. You know what? This one it looks cool if when you have your glow in the dark, so you can add some glow in the dark as well. I think it's gonna be stunning. Let's make it more fun. Just a little bit. Subscription box is cool to get an idea for the nail art. Alright. Bam. Alright. So the best thing about condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat is not going to cure. It's not going anywhere until you are going to cure it. So if you feel like you want to adjusting it before your final cure, oh absolutely you can do it. Anytime. Okay. Cure for 60 seconds. If you don't want, hold on. If you don't want any